Good day, everyone. Our topic for this day is about multiplying two binomials using FOIL method. Our objective is to multiply two binomials using FOIL method. Hello, welcome to my tutorial, and I am Ma'am Annie. And for today's topic, let us define first what is a FOIL method. When we say FOIL method, it is a mnemonic used to help remember the steps in multiplying two binomials. F stands for first terms, O stands for outer terms, I stands for inner terms, and L stands for last terms. So now, how do we multiply two binomials using this method? We have two binomials, quantity A plus B and quantity C and D. And then, to multiply these two binomials, we are going to multiply the F terms, or the first terms. Here, first terms are A and C. Then get its product, which is AC. Next, multiply the O terms, or the outer terms. Here, the outer terms are A and D. Its product is AD. Okay, A times D equals AD. Next, after O, we have inner terms or I terms. And the inner terms are B and C. Get its product, and it is BC. And we have the last terms. In this, we have B and D. Get its product, which is BD. And the last step to multiply these two binomials is to combine like terms from the terms that we have obtained. Reminder, to multiply numbers, kapag parehas ng sign, ang product ay positive. Kapag different signs, ang sagot ay negative. And to add numbers, kapag parehas ng sign, i-add mo yung dalawang number at kopyahin mo yung signs nila. And then, if they have different signs, isubtract mo yung dalawang number na yun and kopyahin mo yung sign na may pinakamataas na number. To understand more about this, let us have example number 1. Multiply quantity x plus 3 times the quantity of x plus 6. Okay? So from this, identify the first terms. In here, the first terms are x, and then another one is x, multiply, and then you will obtain x squared. Okay? The next, multiply the outer terms. Here, the outer terms are x and positive 6. X times positive 6 equals positive 6x. Next, we have the inner terms. We have 3 times x equals 3x. And then last terms, we have positive 3 times positive 6. So 3 times 6 equals positive 18. And the last step, after obtaining these terms, is to combine the like terms. Okay, like terms here are 6x and 3x. Since they have the same signs, you are going to add the absolute value. So, the final answer is x squared from the first term. And then 6x plus 3x equals 9x plus 18, which is from the last term. Example number 2. Multiply quantity x minus 5 times the quantity of x minus 6. So, identify the first terms, x times x. We have x squared, it is still x squared. And then, outer terms, we have x times negative 9. We have negative 9x. Okay, it is negative because of minus. And then we have I, or the inner terms. The inner terms here are negative 5 and x. Get its product, which is negative 5x. And then, The last terms here are negative 5 and negative 9. Multiplying those numbers, we have negative 5 times negative 9 is equal to positive 45. Negative times negative equals positive. So next is we have to combine the like terms. We have x squared minus 9x minus 5x plus 45. Like terms here are negative 9x and negative 5x. Since they have the same signs, you are going to add the absolute value of those numbers and copy the sign of it. So therefore, the final answer is x squared from the first term, and then negative 9 plus negative 5 is equal to negative 14x plus 45. Example number 3. Multiply the quantity 2x minus 5 and quantity x plus 3. Using the FOIL method, multiply the first terms. We have 2x times x equals 2x squared. The outer terms, 2x times positive 3 equals 6x, positive 6x. Next is multiply the inner terms. Negative 5x times positive x, we have negative 5x. And for the last terms, multiply negative 5 times positive 3 equals negative 15. Then, combining like terms, so the final answer is 2x squared mula sa first term, and then 6x plus negative 5x, or 6x minus 5x equals positive x minus 15. Last example, pahirapan natin ng konti. Multiply the quantity 2x minus 11 times the quantity of 3x plus 7. So using again the FOIL method, multiply the first term. So 2x times 3x equals positive 6x. Next, the outer terms, 2x times negative 11 is equal to negative 22x. For the inner terms, 5 times positive 3x equals positive 15x. And then last term, so we have 5 times negative 11 is equal to negative 55. Combine like terms, so we have 6x squared, and kukombine natin ito, different sign, so minus natin, 22 minus 15 equals 7, and kung ano magiging sign niya, ay depende sa sign ng pinakamataas na number. Since 22 pinamataas, ang negative ang gagamitin natin, so we have negative 7x, then minus 55. So, final answer is 6x squared minus 7x minus 55. Now, let's try to solve mentally. Example number 1. Multiply quantity x plus 4 times the quantity of x plus 8. So, first, get the product of first term. So, x times x equals x squared. And then, i-add natin ang outer terms at ang inner terms. So, we have 8 times x, we have 8x. Keep in mind, meron tayong 8x. Tapos, i-add natin siya sa positive 4x. So, 8x plus 4x equals 12x. And then, last term, 4 times 8 equals positive 32. Next example, if we have quantity x minus 3 times the quantity of x minus 7, multiply ang first term, x times x equals x squared. And then, i-add natin ang negative 3 times x sa x times negative 7. So, negative 3 times x, negative 3x, plus negative 7x. Okay, so same sign tayo, negative 3x and negative 7x. So, i-add mo yung dalawang numbers na yon at kopyahin mo yung sign nila. So, now, magkakaroon tayo ng negative 10x. And then for the last terms, we have negative 3 times negative 7 equals positive 21. Number 3 example, quantity x minus 4 times the quantity of x plus 2. Multiply first terms, we have x squared. Inner terms, negative 4x. Outer terms, we have 2x. So, different sign, imo-minus mo. So, 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. Yung sign niya ay depende sa sign na pinamataas na number. So, 4 pinamataas na number kaysa sa 2. So, negative ang gagamitin natin. So, negative 2x. Negative 4 times positive 2 equals negative 8. Example number 4. So, first terms, x times 2x equals 2x squared. Inner terms, negative 3 times 2x, we have negative 6x. Tapos, sa outer terms, x times 9, 9x. So, 9 plus negative 6x equals positive 3x. And then last term, negative 3 times positive 9 equals negative 27. Get the product of the first term. So, 5x times 2x, we have 10x squared. And then middle term, 4 times 2x equals 8x. 5x minus 3 equals negative 15x. So, negative 15x plus 8x equals negative 7x. And for the last term, 4 times negative 3 equals negative 12. Before we proceed to our practice, let us have a recall. We can multiply two binomials using this method. First, get the product of the first terms, and then the outer terms. Next, the inner terms and last terms. After getting all those terms, combine the like terms. So, for our practice, I will give 5 items for you to answer. Solve for the product of the given two binomials. Pause this video for 10 minutes to solve this practice. So, here are the answers. I do hope na tama ang inyong mga sagot for this practice. And sana ay meron kayong tutunan ngayon sa lesson natin about multiplying two binomials using FOIL method. To end this, I want to share one quote from William Paul Thurston. Mathematics is not about numbers, equations, computations, or algorithms. It's about understanding. Thank you and God bless.